Did you say you can make, baby? I'm taping you on this.
A sink.
You can make a sink.
Mm-hmm.
Is it gonna be pretty?
It'll be whatever you want it to be. Pretty, ugly, green, blue, red, whatever.
What am I gonna do with you?
Give me money.
Okay.
Because sinks cost money. It's a business.
It's a business?
It's a business.
It's a business. So we're at Lowe's, y'all. We're just trying to find some more pots for my plants and see what they got going on. I haven't seen no really good deals. These
No, these are all like...
These are fancy ones. See, these are really fancy. These are not fancy.
You know what's crazy? Okay, these are the same pretty much. It's a little bit different, but like the ones at Home Depot, but they're like $1 more. They do got some kind of fancy different.
And it has a lip on it.
No, they had this fancy insert type of thing there, and the other ones had lips on it too. That's not the difference. It's that thing. Whatever. What is that?
Has to be bigger than that.
It's a fancy plug, I guess.
You can make it sop it right on up in there. Now, is it at the bottom holes too?
Well, that's the plug. You pull it out and you got holes.
Okay. I get it.
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Just looking for some cheeky beat cheeky.
Yeah, me too. These are nice. I like these planter boxes. These are really nice. Those are like the real planter boxes there. Let's see what else we got.
Alright. Some different sizes here. They still ain't as cheap as I was talking about. But
here's some. Look, $1.98, but they're out. What is that?
Yeah, that might be like the ones.
I like the color coding thing they got going on too.
Yeah, these are like the ones at Home Depot.
Okay.
Maybe about 40 cents cheaper.
Really? Oh, that's good to know.
If these are really
$167.
Yeah.
Probably $9.88.
No, they're not.
No, 2-piece.
So, what size were you looking for?
I want it to be bigger than this, like that.
Okay.
Down there.
This?
Yeah. Like that size.
How many do you need?
I need 2 of those.
And then some bigger than this?
Yeah.
But you need 2 of them.
Yeah, I have 1 at home left. But I need like 2 more. And eventually I'll probably end up getting these.
Okay.
But those are too big.
Let me tell you something.
Yep.
These are on sale. Look.
Oh, look at that.
That's 5 something for the 12 inch. Is that this?
Yes, that's what the greens can go into.
Whoa, what was that?
I don't know.
Oh, that was the bottom.
I don't speak English.
You broke it.
I did not.
Security. Security.
Tell him. Okay, so that fits on really
good. You want me to snitch on you?
Yeah, tell him.
Oh, okay.
You know that turns me on.
I thought
I'm
you
still
was
taping
weird,
you, right?
But
You know I love that. You know I love that kinky stuff. Stop playing. Oh my gosh, those are on sale. That's pretty cool.
I guess.
Cause they're usually $9. Like usually about $8-9 at whatchamacallit.
Well, look, the one a little bit smaller is $6.97.
They tripping.
$7. So
I hope those are in the right place. It says what size is that?
I hope that ain't just if you buy it in bulk, you can get $5.38. But just per each is $6.
It's still not bad.
So that ain't bad. 2 of these?
Yeah. Yes, please.
You sure?
Okay. Yeah.
3 of these.
Okay, 3. You know me so well. See you to come back tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh, look at the long planter boxes, babe. These are $7.
On sale too.
Yeah. Pretty cool. But I'm running out of room in my greenhouse. I think probably better off with these.
Yeah.
Because you need another bench in the back if you do.
Just do these.
But it's okay. You can build me another bench.
Yeah, a smaller one in the back.
Yeah, the U part.
Yep. All right. Is this it?
Yeah, that's it.
You sure?
Yep, positive. That's all I need.
Let
Thank you.
Burn the rubber.
All right, babe. Thank you. Burn the rubber. Burn the rubber on me. darling.
You not? Can you turn that thing on?
I'm not gonna turn it off. You said something crazy. I'll turn it off.
Something crazy.
All right,
Turn it
there
off.
we go.